Hello traders and welcome to another altcoin of the week analysis video on Zondacrypto. Today we are looking at the daily time frame chart of the Ethereum to Tether. As you can see, this is the Japanese candlestick chart. One candlestick is 1 day, and the reason why the Ethereum is the altcoin of the week is that very nice rally that finally breaks above the last technical resistance located at the level of 2,811. So that was the technical resistance. Now this level will act as a support. So let's just change the colors here, and of course there was one more level, 2,830, and this level will act as a technical support as well. Very nice rally. Let me just take a look how much is that rally actually. From the recent low to the today's high is almost 25% on the Ethereum. So what it changes generally in the general outlook for the Ethereum. So we know that the Bitcoin is at the all-time highs, and the Ethereum is far away from this level. The recent 2024 swing high is located at 4,084 tethers, and if we can draw like a kind of a trend line here, we can clearly see that we are far away even from this trend line. Now the momentum indicator in form of the RSI is showing us that the market is almost above the extremely overbought conditions, almost above the level of the 70 points. Right now is 67.78. So we are very close for this market to be extremely overbought, and then of course the corrective cycle will come sooner or later. Now the other situation is with the moving averages. If we apply the moving averages to our chart, if we can have 100 and 200 periods moving average, we can clearly see that we have the 100 period moving average, 200 periods moving average, sorry, at the level of 2,957. So this is the level that might act as the dynamic resistance as well, and we could see some kind of a profit taking on the Ethereum. So what's the scenario for the Ethereum these days? It seems to be quite simple, because we might have some sort of the correction, preferably towards the recent technical support, and then of course a rally first towards 3,000 tethers, and then somewhere around the level of 3,393, then preferably towards 3,500, and finally towards the trend line resistance. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.